This topiary had a near-death experience and lived to talk about it. Let's go check in with it. So, can you tell us what happened? Yes, my owner failed to water me for at least a few days, maybe a week. I was falling down in front of the front door, and she still didn't notice me. And eventually I got really thirsty and lost most all of my leaves, as you can see. But I'm in recovery now. I'm by a heater. I get water at least a couple times a week now, and I don't have to be out in the cold. As you can see, my shoots are starting to come back, and hopefully I'll be ready for a hair trim this spring and get my figure back. But it was pretty traumatizing.